Hi all, welcome back. I've got the rotavator back. It came back all in one piece. That's good. I finished that. That's all done, finished. I'm just about to start a new project, one I've been putting off for a long while. Pressure washer. I'm going to build one of my own, a petrol one. Had one before, don't know what happened to it, probably lent it out, never came back. But went out the other day, bought another rotavator, a very old Briggs & Stratton Meritiller, fully complete and working, but very thick in dust. It's a barn find, let's put it that way. And while I was there, a very nice gentleman by the name of Mike, Mad Mike the Mowerman they called him, and I purchased some other engines. He had some Beaver Spade engines. If you don't know what that is, that's a Norlette rotavator, built in Oxford, not far from where I got these from, and it's a little rotavator made by Norlette. And it was called the Beaver Spade, and they had Briggs & Strattons on. They were not a heavy duty machine. They just had rotors out the front, engine on the back, and you could take them to bits and chuck them in your car. Ideal for light soil. Right, I got 3 Briggs & Stratton engines, as I said. 2 16mm shafts and 1 19. I've got a job for the 19. I'll use the 16mm shaft, both 1977 engines, and I'll use that for the pressure washer. 2.5 horsepower, it should be plenty. And I'll give you a quick glimpse of what I did. Old sack truck that I'd had lying around. I'm going to use that. I've repaired some wheels and tyres today, as you can see. I'm going to cut that off. You can't see the marks. Yeah, you can see the marks. The one up front is where I'm going to cut it. I'm going to take the plate off there where you can see the plate. The plate will then be led down for mounting the motor onto. I'll mount the engine onto it, and I will move the handle to the upright horizontal at the back, and then I'll put that leg stand at the front with a rubber bush mounting underneath it for vibration, and that should do the job. So when I get started, I'll bring you back and we'll get into it. In the meantime, I must upload the Meritiller video. Catch you later. 10 o'clock at night and I'm at it again. I'm still working. Just give you a quick show of what I've done today. Cleaned it all down, degreased it all, primed it all. That's white primer that you can see. There you go. This one I'm waiting for the pressure pump to come. Other bits I'm still doing. You can see I'm hanging up on the door, but yeah. I shall be burning the midnight oil tonight. Had a bit of a rough day, so took it easy. Now I've got to catch up, clean up some of this crap and get it ready to go back together. I'm gonna replace that with an electronic ignition. So get back to you in a bit. Right, pump's arrived, and got to confess I had to cut a good 1.5 inches off of the crankshaft, but no worries, all fitted on well. I'll take you over, have a look. There we go, all on. There you go, nice new exhaust, all fitted on. Now, next job is I'm going to make all the frame up out of that sat trolley. Just show you, nice new present from Mrs. S. How nice of her, works brilliantly. It was Aldi's, oh my god, I didn't expect it to work like it does. Absolutely, almost, except for long jobs I'd imagine, has made corded electric grinders, yeah, no longer needed. Yeah, well, they'll always be needed, but made it redundant when you're doing small jobs round your shed or just nipping out down the garden or something, instead of putting all the cables down. Absolutely brilliant job. There you go. Right, I'm going to go and have a quick clean up. Burnt my finger, yeah, hot bit of metal, thought I'll pick it up and move it. As usual, like we do. No glove, can't put a glove on with one hand. Right, I'm going to have a tidy up and then we'll get on to making the trolley. There we go. Oh, and you did see the finished engine, by the way, all painted up. Right, been very busy. I managed to put it all together, cut it, weld it. I didn't show it because once I get started I really like to get on with it, and I'm giving you a catch up now and I'll show you. Things are a bit difficult. Here we go. Right, there we go. The trolley to put the water pump on. All I've done is cut the trolley to bits and figured it out that I could use it to its best advantage. Just flattened and welded, and there's a rubber foot goes on the front there at the bottom. That plate's to be welded in yet, that the engine sits on, and then I'll get and spray it properly with some enamel. There we go. Hope you're not too upset that I didn't show you welding it, but you know yourself, when you get going you really get into it and you don't want to stop. There wasn't no cussing with it, a few frustrations but no cussings. Oh, black nose. There we go. I'll catch you when I've welded and drilled that plate. Just a quick look at progress. Here we go. All painted. Put a rubber foot on there for vibration. All nice new wheels. All done. Just about to mount all that lot on. Might bring you to it when I do it, and we'll catch you back in a minute. When I'm ready to put that on, I'm going to go and have a nice cup of tea first. Right, finally finished. I'll show you how it works. We'll get to it. Another success. There we go, that's better. There we go. Well, one of our good successes. Did have some problems on the way through, but we overcome them. What I done, I touched the paint up, used the wrong sort of paint, and it all pickled. I had to strip the frame down to bare metal and start again. I didn't show you that, but there you go. Catch you in the next one. Well, that's the pressure washer done. Well pleased with it. Works really well. Done quite a lot of work with it today. Done all my front paths, everything really nice. I'd like to thank Mad Mick the Marrowman from Oxford Way. He gave me the engines. I got them off him, 3 of them, and I had a Merry Tiller off of him. But Mick, if you're watching, this is what one of your engines done. I'd also like to thank everybody else, Mick's Mowers, Mend It Man for his stickers, and lots of others. There's too many to mention, really is. Rob Small Engines, thanks Rob, and get back to you all in the next one. Take care. I've got about 5 more renovators to do, but I won't bore you with them all. I've got a partner mower to sort out, got a Tecumseh on it, carburetor trouble as usual. I've ordered 2, and both of those suppliers have come back to me and said sorry, out of stock, and refunded. I'm going to try once more. If not, I know somebody that's got some second-hand ones. I'll get back to you in the next one. Take care. Be good.